What do you think about footwear and technology and their role in the future? This is a footwear technology question. We've talked about this. We've thought about this. Obviously, I like to wear some sneakers, and I've made a few videos on sneakers. Will's bringing up the Nike Adapt BB, and that was a self-lacing sneaker, very tech advanced. You can go watch the video on Unbox Therapy if you haven't seen it yet. It has an app to go with it. I mean, this is a possible progression of the merging of footwear and technology. Custom fit stuff, tighten it from the app, different fits for different environments and events, wireless charging. It was a cool shoe. Of course, there's other shoe tech. We saw that one from New Balance they were supposed to send us, right? With the e-ink, so you could kind of change the look of it. The look of the, it has a display on the sole. I mean, or also on the logo. Customize the look with some e-ink tech. That's very cool. We should hit them up again. They were like supposed to send this over to look at, and they didn't.
Yeah, they just stopped.
They just stopped talking to us. I blame you.
I'll hit them up again.
You scared them away.
Yeah.
It was the part where you sent them that picture that you shouldn't have.
I was too aggressive.
Yeah. Yeah, you got to ease up, Will. It's the slow sale. You know, you can't be...
Play the long game.
Play the long game, Will. You can't be all in from the get-go.
Yeah.
All right? Patience is a virtue. So, but you can hit them back up now because it's been a minute, as the youngsters say. So, yeah, these types of innovations, I can see it. E-ink, custom sneaker on the fly, or an app and a self-lacing. Those are good examples. Honestly, simple things for me in a more practical sense, like Ultra Boost, like the sole being so much more comfortable. I'm wearing these things. I got 10 pairs over there now. So shout out Ultra Boost. It's like, it's just, apparently this material has a pretty cool story, how it came to be and exist in Adidas soles. And I haven't looked back since. So the tech can happen in a few different ways. What else can your shoe do for you? I've seen actually interesting insoles, tech-infused insoles that could track your steps, your workouts, things like this. So we could see that as well.